Welcome everyone. In this video I am going to start exercise 3.2. Those who has practiced exercise 3.1, for them it is very easy to solve exercise 3.2. So let's see what is given in question number 1. If x minus y is equals to 8 and xy is equals to 5, find x square plus y square. So in this exercise you will see that values of some equation is given and you have to find out the value of another equation. In few questions you will see that without square or without power 3 or that is without cube numbers values are given and you have to find out sum of square of those terms. In few questions you will see that square sums are given and you have to find out without power numbers. Okay, so what I want to say, it depends upon the question that how we will decide which formula will be useful here. Sometime we will start sum from the given value, sometime we will start our sum when from that part where we have to find out. So it depends upon the data which is given in our question. So let's see how we'll solve question number 1. Since x minus y is equals to 8 and xy is equals to 5, find the value of x square plus y square. This is a question. Okay, so now I am thinking that I have to find out the value of x square plus y square, right? How I can reach with the help of the given data from here to there, how I can reach, or can I start my sum from here only and I can utilize this value? No, that is not possible. But in few question you will see that we have to start from the question and there we will utilize the given value. But here we have to start from the given value and slowly we will reach to this point, because when we will square this data x minus y square, it will become 64 and this will become x square plus y square minus 2xy, and out of that we can find out value of x square plus y square. So let's see what I will do here. Since x minus y is equals to 8, squaring both sides of given data or of given equation, and it will become x minus y square is equals to 8 square. So this will be x square plus y square minus 2xy, and this side it is 64. 8 square is 64. Okay, now we are having value of xy, so we will show here. Since xy is equals to 5, it is given in our question, so we are going to use it here. Therefore x square plus y square minus 2 into 5 is equals to 64. And see, we are about to reach our answer. We have to find out this one, and here it is. So minus 10 will be transferred that side. X square plus y square is equals to 64 plus 10, that is 74. This is our answer. Okay, now question number 2, 3, see the questions. Please show here. Question number 2, question number 3, all are similar to question number 1. Even 4 is also of same kind, but I am going to solve it. So let's see what is given. If 3x minus 4y is equals to 16 and xy is equals to 4, find the value of 9x square plus 16y square. Again you can see 3x square is 9x square, 4y whole square is 16y square. So we will use a similar method here. From next video I'm not going to solve the similar sums, because similar one is for you to do practice, but here I'm solving 4 numbers. So let's see what is given and what we have to do. Given that 3x minus 4y is equals to 16 and xy is equals to 4, therefore 9x square plus 16y square is equals to what? That is our question. Since 3x minus 4y is equals to 16. Squaring both side, what will happen? 3x minus 4y square is equals to 16 square. So a minus b. Here also please show you this formula, at which formula you have used. A minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we have used it here. Again we will use this formula, so we have to show here that a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this will be 3x square plus 4y square minus 2 into 3x into 4y, and 16 square is 256, right? Therefore next step will be 3 3 is 9x square, 4 4 just 16y square minus 2 3 just 6, 6 4 just 24 xy. Now we will see what is the value of xy given in our question. It is 4, so we are going to put here, so we will mention it. Next page. This is our equation. Next, 9x square plus 16y square minus 24xy is equals to 256. So we will write, since xy is equals to 4, which is given, therefore 9x square plus 16y square minus 24 into 4 is equals to 256. Okay, see, I have replaced xy by 4. Now it is 9x square plus 16y square minus 96. 24 4 ja 96. We don't know. 4 4 just 16. 6 remainder is 1. 4 2 ja 8 and 1. So 96. Therefore 9x square plus 16y square is equals to 256 plus 96, and that is equals to 352. This is our answer. Done. Now question number 5. In question number 4, you understood what is given. This was given and we have to find out square of the sum of first and second term. So first and fourth, second, third, these all are similar sums. Now we are going to start question number 5, which is a little bit different from the previous one. See what is given. If x plus y is equals to 8 and x minus y is equals to 2, find the value of 2x square plus 2y square. Now we have to think that what we will do. If I am going to square it, x plus y whole square equals to 64, x minus y square is equals to 4, and then it will become x square plus y square plus 2xy, and this side it will become x square plus y square minus 2xy. Then we will add both the equation where 2xy will be cancelled, then we will reach here 2x square plus 2y square. So we are going to do that. So let's see how we'll do that. Here no need to use the hint, you can follow that also. So it depends upon you that how you will reach to your answer, because there are different methods by which you may solve the sum, but it should be correct. Given that x plus y is equals to 8, we may consider it as equation 1, and x minus y is equals to, what is given, it is 2. Yeah, squaring question. Squaring question 1 and 2, what will happen? This will become x plus y square is equals to 8 square, and when we will open it, this will become x square plus y square plus 2xy. We have used here the formula a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and x minus y square, that was our second equation, we are squaring that also. This is x square plus y square minus 2xy, that is equals to 4. So we have used here a minus b whole square formula, that is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? Now we will add this equation and this equation, because we have to reach what we need to find out, 2x square plus 2y square. So I can see that if I'm going to add these two equations, naturally these two became 2x square plus 2y square, and these two will be cancelled, and we want that thing only. So adding equation 1 2 and 3 and 4, what will happen? X square, I'm going to write it, x square plus y square plus 3xy is equals to 64. Directly we can add it, no, like LHS, wait, LHS, no need to write down up and down, directly we will add it. So x square plus y square plus 2xy, then x square plus, you may write in that way also, up and down at junior classes, 64 plus 4. See what I did, here is 2xy, x square plus y square plus 2xy, and then x square plus y square minus 2xy, and this side 64 plus 4. So x square plus x square is 2x square, y square plus y square is 2y square, 2xy plus minus 2xy both are cancelled, this is equals to 64 plus 4, that is equals to 68. So this is your answer, and here our answer is over. Thank you.